deleting a node from a linked list. So how can I delete a node from a linked list? So again, there are three possibilities. If you want, you can delete from the beginning of the linked list. That is, first node is deleted, or you can delete a last node, or you can delete a node after a given node. Somewhere in between, you can delete somewhere in between. So deleting first node and last node, that is very easy. So deleting a first node from a linked list. Let us see the first one. How can we delete a node from the linked list? So how can we delete first node from a linked list? So let us say I'll copy this part. Right. So what is the first thing? Deleting first node from a linked list. Deleting first node from a linked list. Right. So given these nodes, how can I delete the first node from a linked list? So what could be the logic for this? So while looking at the diagram, very easy for us to make out. If you delete the first node, what procedure you should follow? Deleting the first node or the beginning node from the linked list. So these are the nodes, existing nodes 1, 7, 3, 4, 2, and so on. So these are the existing nodes of the given linked list. So if you want to delete the first node from this linked list, what is the first node? This is the first node which is pointed by the start. START, start. So that is a starting node. When you delete this, when I delete this, obviously this will be the starting node. This will be the starting node. So what could be the logic to delete this? We know that start is the pointer which will always point to the starting node of the linked list. If I make start to point here somehow, the work is done. What is that? Make start to point here. How can I do that? There's just only one statement. Start is equal to start pointer next. That's it. If I am write only one statement, it's like I am deleting the first node from the linked list, because we know that start is the node which will always point to the starting node of the linked list. So if you just change the pointer, it is nothing but we have deleted it, because whenever you refer from next time onwards, starting node will be 7, not the first one 1. Now onward the starting node will be 7. So that is a simple logic to delete a node from the beginning. Delete the first node from a linked list. So how can we delete the last node from a linked list? How can we delete the last node from a linked list? Right? What could be the logic? We can take a special pointer to, right? Next node what I have here is 6. Next node what I have here is 5, and this is null. So assume these are the existing. I want to delete a last node now instead of first node. Now I want to delete last node from a linked list. Now I want to delete a last node from a linked list. Last node is what? 5 is the last node. So you want to delete this. You want to delete this. What could be the logic? If you want to delete this, yes. Can anyone tell me the logic? Can anyone tell me the logic? I want to delete this. What? I want to delete 5 from this. What changes I should do to make sure that 5 gets deleted? Any answers from your side? Yes.
Up to 6 nodes.
Yes.
Traversing up to 6 nodes.
Yes. Then after travel.
In that node, sir. 6 nodes.
Yes, yes. Yes, in that node.
Put the null, sir.
Okay, okay, good, good. That's it. Very good, very good. So that's it. What I have to do is I just want to delete this. If you want to delete this, just keep here null. No, that's it. Just assign null here. Just keep null here. So how can you traverse up to here? Again, as I said earlier, take PTR, bring PTR up to here, come up to here. So whenever you are present here, that means how can I go? PTR pointer next should be null. So somehow you come to this location. How can I come to this location? Take PTR while PTR is not equal to null. Not like that. PTR pointer next is not equal to null. So that coding part I will explain you later. Just to understand the logic now. So go to the last but one node and then at that location write the null value. If you are writing to null means what it indicates, 6 is not at all pointing to any of the nodes. So this itself will become the last node. So we have successfully deleted the last node. That's it. That is the logic for deleting the last node. So now let us see how can we delete the node from, what is the third part? Delete a node after a given node. The node after a given node is deleted. The node after a given node is deleted. So let us say
Sir.
the node after. Yes. Yes. Any problem? Someone was speaking. Any problem? The node after a given node in the linked list must be deleted. So let us say after the given node, what they have taken in this example here is succeeds to the node which contains data value 4. That means suppose we want to delete after 4. That means 2 I should delete. I should delete 2 from our given node 17342. That means let us delete a node after 4. That's it. We should delete a node after 4. So what will be the logic for this deleting? First, I will write those nodes as it is. Now here linking is involved. You should perform some sort of linking. 17342. Then next we have 6. So these are the existing nodes and the pointers. These are the existing nodes and the pointers. Right? What I should do now? I should delete some node after 4. What is the node after 4? Node after 4 is 2. I should delete this. I should delete this. So we know that always there is a pointer called start. Always there is a pointer called start, which will always point to the starting node of the linked list. Then take one more pointer called PTR. After which node you want to delete? After this node you want to delete. So go up to that point. So take this PTR. It is easy to traverse. That is while make PTR to point to next node. PTR equal to PTR pointer next node. Till what? While PTR pointer data is equal to value. Which value? 4. So that is the coding part. So that we shall see later. So PTR bring up to 4, up to traverse here. Now what you want to do? You want to delete this. You want to delete this. So what logic we can make if you want to delete this? So you can the logic here is PTR pointer next. It should be made to point to 6. That's it. It should be made to point to this. That's it. So how can I refer to this? PTR is 4. What is PTR pointer next? PTR pointer next is 2. What is PTR pointer next? That is 6. So can I write it like this? Make this PTR to point to. 1 second. This should point to what? Make PTR pointer next. This to point to this node. How can I identify this node? This node is identified by PTR pointer next pointer next. That's it. So we have just deleted this node successfully. We have deleted this node successfully. So these were the fundamental operations what we perform onto the linked list. All what we have seen were different operations what we can perform on the linked list.